Templates in Monday.com can give you the start you need. But what exactly can they do? Let me show you. If you're new to Monday.com and you're struggling to make a start on building your boards, you're not alone. Forming a sense of structure to your purposes in a Monday.com board takes time and knowledge to develop fully. But Monday.com has done a great job of giving you a solid foundation with templates. These are a group of pre-built Monday.com boards based on a number of use cases. To find out what's available in the workspace that you want to add a board, click on the plus button next to the search bar in your sidebar and then choose from templates. The template center will pop up for you. Here you can browse a huge library of templated boards to suit your needs, with a large category breakdown depending on your use case. For example, if you are part of your team's HR, there is a template that would allow you to gather information from your colleagues quickly. This template creates a board for an employee well-being survey. The board shows responses, and a view at the top here is where you can view the form. A base version is set up and you can adjust it however you wish before sending out the link to those employees that you are looking to get a response from. Perhaps you work in property or real estate management. The template creates boards to manage your properties and your agents, both connected together and with extra views to assist how you see the data. The map view, for example, shows you exactly where all of your properties are without the need for a search engine. There's even a template to plan your weekend watch party, where an RSVP form for guests allow you to plan food and drink and work out where everyone's allegiances lie. Mine was with Spurs. An included dashboard helps break down the snacks on offer, and the llama farm is on hand to see the split of fans for the teams. Many of the templated boards will include some basic automations to get you started, but you can build on them as you need to. Everything is customizable, ready for you to adapt to your requirements. Whatever you need, Monday.com has a template that will help you take the first step in the right direction. If you like this video, consider leaving a like or a thumbs up and subscribe for more in the future. And if you feel like there's not a template there for you, we are a Monday.com partner who can help take your boards to the next level. Just get in touch with us. And if you're looking for more ways to boost your workflow, check out this video up here where we talk about 4 little tools in Monday.com that can do just that and will work with your newly created template boards. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.